Another beautiful spring evening here on the 1st of November 2017 on the South Cape coast of Africa. Very interesting storm on the horizon as the heat of the past few days dissipates and cool weather returns. Let's see if it brings some rain. We've had a tremendous drought here the past year on the south coast of Africa after the fires that were also swept up by ferocious winds around the middle of the year earlier this year, which took out the two towns of Knysna and Plettenberg Bay quite badly. It's been a devastating fire. There has been a little bit of rain, but things still need to improve, so let's hope this brings us some rain here this evening. It's a beautiful evening. No need to worry about the weather. It's a wonderful environment. So please come and join me soon. We can help raise the consciousness here. It's a good place for meditation. Very healthy place, good for the health of the body, mind and soul. So I hope you can join me here soon and we can raise the vibration and create a beautiful environment for us to spend time awakening consciousness. See you soon.